guys, welcome back to BONOSS Wheel Spacer unofficial channel. I'm Lulu. The annual Christmas is coming. The countdown discount is about to begin. Don't forget to follow us for more information. I'll introduce this shell type wheel bolt for you guys. The BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell type wheel bolt kit adopts a two-pieces design. The shell part with better materials and different colors to bring a more satisfactory overall appearance. Using alloy steel SCM 440 wheel bolts, reaching the ISO standard grade 12.9. Installing BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell bolt kit is a way of expressing owner's personality. While obtaining a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. The surface treatment of the shell is hard anodized, which is bright in color and making it not easy to fade. Anti-falling, anti-rust to protect the bolt. One set also contains a lock key and 4 pieces locking wheel bolts to prevent wheel from being stolen. Compared with ordinary locking wheel bolts, BONOSS uses a special spline lock design, matching the lock key to ensure unique of the product. If you want to buy this BONOSS shell type wheel bolt kit, please see the link down on the description. See you next time, bye bye!